3,000 grit stones. He just finished with, what was it, 300 over there? 800 over there.
One of my old chefs has all of them. Which kind? All of them. He starts from like 200, 220, and goes all the way up to 20,000. He's like once every like 6 months maybe at most.
Wow.
He'll literally just sit down and take his day off and just all of his knives. He's got like 20 knives too. He runs them. Yeah, he's got a huge kit. He's been a chef for like 30 years. He sits there and he just puts all of his knives through. And they're all razors.
That's insane.
But he's like, this is completely therapeutic for me. I guess so. You just sit there and just
Lock yourself in the room.
no, he just does it. He does it on just like he's like next to the table.
Oh, yeah.
Happily sits there. Say sometimes come out and watch him. Like, it's great.
Don't talk to the guy about like sharpening rule or something.
Or just like learning and explaining as well.
That's fair.
Always kind of intrigued or just don't run around the table while I'm here.
For sure.
Yeah, all the way